Okay everybody, so I'm here today and we're going to talk to you about using tire plugs. I just got these at Crappy Tire. It was like $8, and I got plugs, and I got the reamer tool, and I got the, big needle. And what we're going to do is, the first thing you want to do is you want to blow up the tire. That's lots of air. And they're supposed to be already pre-glued, so you don't have to glue them. And then you flatten it out on one end. You put it in the needle like this. Pull it through the needle. Shouldn't really be using gloves. Like this. And then, okay, 1, 2. I gotta get it all the way in there. This tire might be crap. There might be 2 holes. So the next thing you do is you take a sharp knife and you cut off most of the excess. And then that's it. You're all finished. What we did was we cut the end of this off with the knife, and you can leave a little bit sticking out. It doesn't matter. It'll wear off as you drive. And that's how you fix a tire. Thank you, everybody. See you later.